How to modify cost basis in TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to log into your TurboTax account. Now you should enter the form 1099B as it is reported to you. Then you will see an option to adjust the cost basis if it is not correct. For this, you want to choose the federal option on the left menu bar. Then select wages and income. Now choose investments and savings option. Then select Stocks, Bonds, Mutual Funds option. Now enter your Form 1099B information and check the box that says the cost basis is incorrect or missing on my 1099B. Then you will see an option later to enter the correct cost basis. There, you will have to modify cost basis manually. For that, you want to enter the correct cost basis from your records. Then click on Done to save your changes. Now, TurboTax will recalculate your capital gains and losses. After that, you can proceed with filing your taxes, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.